Did you know that every time you connect to a public Wi-Fi while traveling, you're potentially exposing your data to cyber criminals or other government agencies? Travelers are prime targets due to their reliance on unsecured networks. Understanding these risks is critical to the security of your company and your personal private information. Cybercriminals exploit travelers' unfamiliarity with local laws and networks. By being aware, you can take the first step in safeguarding your personal information. Different countries have varying laws on electronic device searches. In some places, customs officials can demand access to your devices without a search warrant. The United States is no different in this area. In some countries, the mere possession of hacking software can be a crime. Knowing these laws helps you prepare and protect your data effectively. Imagine being asked to unlock your phone at customs. It's a reality in many countries, and you should be aware of your personal risks when you travel. Awareness of these regulations can prevent unexpected surprises and ensure your data remains secure. However, you can also protect yourself by having a plan in place where nothing is on your device. Customs can force you to unlock your phone, but they can't force you to connect to a VPN or open your bank account for them. Public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. Cyber threats lurk in these networks. Always use a VPN to encrypt your data, ensuring a secure connection and protecting sensitive information from prying eyes. If you don't have a secure VPN you feel safe with, contact Arrakis Consulting and we can help you. Avoid accessing sensitive information on public networks and assume that all public networks are dangerous when a VPN isn't being used. If you must, ensure your connection is secure. Simple steps like these can significantly reduce your risk of cyber threats while traveling. Physical theft is a common risk for travelers. Always keep your devices in sight and use strong passwords. Biometric locks add an extra layer of security, making it harder for thieves to access your device. Also, ensure you have drive-level encryption to prevent booting up the drive in a different system. Also, ensure that access to anything sensitive requires MFA before granting access, and you want to do this before you travel. Arrakis also suggests software that allows for tracking your portable devices. And if you don't have that capability, then please reach out to Arrakis Consulting for our traveler's stack of protective software. Arrakis Consulting offers tailored cybersecurity solutions for travelers. Our experts provide guidance on best practices and tools to protect your data. With us, you can travel with peace of mind. And if you are an executive or person holding other sensitive positions, then you should consider the risk to your company by not having the appropriate plan in place. Sign up for our services today. Let Arrakis Consulting be your partner in ensuring a cyber-safe journey. Together, we can navigate the digital landscape securely and with less stress, which can allow your personnel and company to operate in a more hybrid manner to meet your company's needs. Let's recap. Understanding risks, knowing laws, and using the right tools are key to safe travel. By taking proactive steps, you can minimize cybersecurity threats while abroad. Join Arrakis Consulting today and ensure your next trip is cyber safe. By partnering with us, you'll travel more confidently, knowing your data is protected every step of the way.